Madam Grand.
I'm gonna take that away from you.
Oh wait, I think I got it to record. Say hi.
Oh wait, there we go. I got it to work.
Question of the day, guys. Question of the day. Do I look like a lizard? Well, I was called like an albino lizard by someone. A fucked up kid drawn by someone. Ooh, like, and I ain't gonna name names. Someone name names. Name names. Name names, right?
Guess who?
Oh, what is this?
Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Feel like
Get out!
Can I take the picture?
I don't know what to do.
Pop the shoes. Pop the shoes.
They're very bright, so beautiful. Like I can do that too.
I broke it.
Oh, that's real cute. It's a video, but.
No, you don't. You're an asshole. Look at the nails.
I don't know, what's the. Oh, it's turned off.
Look at Dory.
But when you look so bad, like, get to know you before stuff looks so bad.
Yeah, that's because it's all about me.
What should I do?
Oh, my mom. What did she say?
Another thing